Microsoft has been working hard on their Copilot Vision software, and it's an innovative feature that will soon be integrated into the Microsoft Edge browser.
Hey, Copilot.
I'm looking for a place to stay.
Let's take a look. What do you think of the locked house?
It's a bit pricey.
It allows the AI to see and interact with the content you're browsing in real time, whether it's pictures, videos, shopping, or research. It'll offer helpful insights, opinions, and suggestions, just like having a second opinion while browsing. Right now, Copilot Vision is in a limited preview phase, available only to Copilot Pro subscribers in the United States via the Copilot Labs program. But today, I'm going to show you the future of AI-powered web browsing, something we'll all likely have access to next year. There are 4 key areas that Copilot Vision focuses on, which I'll break down in this video. First up is co-gaming. Let's see how this could change our gaming experience.
Hey, Anthony.
Hey.
How's it going?
Hey, I'm just playing this new game called GeoGuessr.
What is GeoGuessr? I cannot believe you guys haven't heard of this. Is this like a new game or? No. Okay, let's just try it and we can use Copilot Vision. It'll teach you as we go. Okay.
Hey, Anthony, I'm here.
Hey, Copilot, I just need some help playing GeoGuessr.
Ooh, sounds fun.
Apparently, I'm supposed to guess where this image is.
Okay, let's look closely at the architecture, vehicles, signs, and the environment. Let's focus on any languages, symbols, or distinctive features in the image.
What about the language here?
The big red characters are Chinese, and the smaller letters in English give a clue.
Yeah, where is that? Where is Pasay City?
It's located in the Philippines.
Ooh, we're gonna try to guess the Philippines.
Let's see. Yeah.
Let's try it out.
Great idea.
Do you know if Pasay is in the north or south part of Philippines?
It's in the northern part of the Philippines.
Great. That's good enough.
Let's do it.
Nice.
Nice teamwork.
Thanks, Copilot. I think your strategies helped out a lot.
You're welcome. Always enjoy a good challenge.
The second key feature is co-planning. Whether it's booking a vacation or planning your day, we often need a helping hand. With Copilot Vision, you can have an AI companion assist with your plans. Let's check it out.
I'm Danny, and I'm here to show you Copilot Vision.
Hi, Danny.
So I am thinking about what I'm gonna do this weekend, and my niece is in town, thinking about going to the California Academy of Sciences, but I don't really know much about it. Is that a good idea?
Sounds like a fun plan. The California Academy of Sciences is a great spot.
Especially if your niece is into immersive exhibits.
She is super into dinosaurs right now.
Dinosaurs, that's cute. Then this is definitely the right choice.
It could be a really fun and educational experience for her.
Where should we go at the Cal Academy if she's into dinosaurs?
Check out the Kimball exhibit. It has fossils of early human relatives and a towering T-Rex. Click on that dinosaur image to see more.
Nice. What else could we do?
The Morrison Planetarium has got a massive dome that makes you feel like you're actually floating in space.
Whoa, this looks really cool. Doesn't it just make you think about how small we are?
Yeah, space reminds us just how much we still don't know. Isn't it wonderful?
Definitely. Thanks, Copilot. So that's Copilot Vision. Let us know how you think Copilot could help you make some plans this weekend.
Third is co-shopping. Imagine browsing for gifts, clothes, or even booking a trip, and having Copilot Vision offer recommendations or even help you choose the perfect present. Let's take a look.
Hi, I'm Ben, and today we're going to do holiday shopping with my personal AI companion, Copilot.
Hi Ben, I'm here and ready to chat.
Hey Copilot, I'm looking for an ugly sweater for my work holiday party.
Ugly sweaters are tacky and festive in all the right ways. Let's start by taking a look at Target.com.
I'm seeing mostly kids and women's. Anything you think would look good on me?
The men's Nintendo Mario ugly Christmas sweater is a solid choice.
What about this pizza one? That's kind of fun.
It is indeed hilarious. It's quirky, festive, and sure to turn heads at any holiday party.
I don't know that I want that one. Let's try something else.
If you're aiming for a bold holiday look, the Believe sweater.
Ooh, this one's pretty cool. I love Ted Lasso. Let's check it out.
Perfect for spreading some positive vibes at your holiday party.
What are the steps for washing and drying this?
It should be machine washable and can be tumble dried. This makes it easy to clean and maintain even during the busy holiday season.
Okay, let's do it. Thanks, Copilot. And that was Shopping with Copilot, your AI companion.
Lastly, Copilot can give us contextual advice. For instance, it could suggest the best places to stay in New York City based on your preferences. This kind of contextual assistance is invaluable, especially when you're uncertain about where to go or stay. Let's dive in.
Hi, I'm Krista, and it always takes me forever to try to find a place to stay when I'm traveling. Let's see what happens when I have Copilot by my side.
Hey, Krista. How's the world treating you today?
The world's treating me really good. I'm planning a trip.
Nice. Any special destination in mind?
Oh, I'm ready. I'm going to New York, but I really need to start with a place to stay first because then my trip is going to be real.
You've come to the right place, Krista. Looks like you've got a few options for New York City on Airbnb.
I'm hoping that you can help me find a place that's a good location, that my kids will like, and that we have enough space to really spread out. Where would you recommend that I start narrowing down my search to?
For something ultra central, try around Times Square. If you want a more relaxed vibe, the Upper West Side has great museums and more space to spread out.
Let's start there. I definitely need some help with finding some listings.
Try zooming in on the map to the Upper West Side area. This way you'll see options specifically in that neighborhood.
All right, I'm seeing this listing here that says Superhost. Do you know what that means?
A superhost is someone recognized by Airbnb for providing exceptional hospitality.
That sounds awesome. I was just looking at the pictures of this place too, and it looks really fun. It's kind of like a library sort of vibe.
Looks like you found a real winner. And all those great ratings from families are a good sign that it's, a welcoming place. Curious to see how the rest of their amenities stack up though.
Yeah, absolutely. Let's take a look at some of the other amenities. Can you help me find those on here?
Wi-Fi, a dedicated workspace, a flat screen TV, air conditioning, and there's even a fitness center on site.
Wow, that sounds really nice. What about taking the train to get to Broadway? For my daughter who loves musicals, do you think it'd be easy to get there from here?
Absolutely. Broadway Theater is just 19 minutes away by subway.
Awesome. Let's take a look at one more before I'm ready to really make a commitment here. I'm seeing this other one that says it's an apartment on the Upper West Side. Can you help me see if there's room for everybody to sleep in this place? It says 5 guests, but only 1 bedroom, trying to figure out how that's gonna work.
Yeah, that could be a little tight with everyone in one room, but it works if you don't mind sharing space.
I think I'm gonna skip this one. I don't wanna be that close to my kids. It is a vacation after all. I love them, but I have limits.
Totally get it. Sometimes you need that bit of distance. Anything else you're curious about for your vacay?
Nope, that's it. Thank you.
You got it. Anytime.
That's all for today on Copilot Vision and how it's set to transform our browsing experience. Let us know in the comments which feature excites you the most or how you'd use this AI in your daily life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest in AI innovation. Until next time, keep exploring the infinite possibilities of AI here on AI Infinity.